From the Fiori Launchpad, I go into Customer Governance. I look for my business partner Roxy because I know I want to add more data to it. First, I look at what's been done for Roxy in the past by calling up the existing change requests that have been created for it. I see straight away that Roxy was created last year. Then its address was changed. Sales area data was changed. A further customer was added, and the address was then changed again. We can look at the details or jump into the separate change requests. I won't do that right now. Just an additional note that this button is not just for customer, supplier or business partner. You can also use it for materials data, custom objects, and finance data, of course. And if I have more than one business partner in this list, I could display the change requests for all of them at the same time. So I go into this business partner because I now want to change it. In this use case, I want to add sales area data to the customer. I scroll down and I can see straight away that there are two customers. So I'll go into the first one to have a look at what sales area data exists at the moment. I see straight away that there isn't any, so I now want to create some. I see the navigation in the message area. If I click it, I see that I have to enter something for the sales district, for example. I also see a reference to customer 237 and a message saying I need to enter a tax classification and a tax category MWST, Mehrwertsteuer or Value Added Tax. As I don't know exactly how to do this at the moment, I will leave it open, click on Done, and go back to customer 237. Now I can navigate from the message directly to the tax classification field, where I have to enter the right value. Again, I don't really know this right now. So I'll go back by clicking Done. I see that the errors are still there. Now I'll go into the second ERP customer. I see that they have a sales organization, but no company codes. So here I will enter a company code. I see I should also enter something in the reconciliation account. I can see the message referring to this if I scroll down the message area. I don't know which value to enter here, so I'll set it to Done for now and go back to save the change request because I need to see where I can find the right details to enter the missing data. I'll close the change request and try to find the needed data. The next day, I call up my change requests and I look for the draft that I created the previous day. I can see the draft here, so now I want to carry on processing 1158. I go in there and the first thing I do is click on Check to remember what problems I need to solve. I see that the first message refers to customer 236, and I need to enter a reconciliation account for it. I also see that I need to enter a sales district for customer 237. And I see I need to enter a tax classification also for customer 237, and so on. So I'll start with customer 236 and company code 001. I'll scroll down and call it up with the edit icon. I'll click the edit icon next to company code 001. I can click the message to navigate to where I have to enter a value. I choose one from the drop-down list. First problem solved. The second message is for customer 237 in sales organization 0001. And I need to enter a sales district. Now I'm still in 236, so this means I first have to switch back to 237. I go back and click the pen to edit 237. And if I'm on a UI that contains the field to which an error message refers, the message will be clickable. For instance, here I'm on the wrong UI, so that's why it's not clickable. But here it takes me directly to the field I need to maintain. I'll do that right now. Now we still have the message for 237 in Sales Org 0001. So again, I'll go down to customer 237. The message is still not clickable because I'm not yet in the sales organization 0001. So I go in to edit it, and now the message is clickable, taking me straight to the sales district field where I can choose the right value. Now I've finished entering my missing values and can submit my change request. Before I do so, I want to quickly see how many steps will come after my submission. This time it's a pretty simple workflow, meaning after I've submitted it, there's only one more step that needs to be done to approve it.